Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to solve the ping spike issue on your Roblox, if you're facing nowadays, then this video is for you. First, you have to do is open your Roblox account when you are on it, check if it's appear or not. If it's appear, then you have to simply click on the search box here and search for the Roblox player. You can search for the Roblox player. Here it is. Now right click on it and you can find the open file location. Simply click on it and here your Roblox player. Right click on that again and you have to simply click let me show you, open the file location. Here you can find it again. Simply click on it and you can find the Roblox player beta. So this is the file that we are looking for. Now you have to right click on it. Now you can find show more options here or the properties here. Simply click on it. Now on the show more option you can also find the properties here. So when you are on properties, you have to go to the digital signatures here. In the digital signatures tab you can find the signature. You have to select off that the name of signer here. So simply click on details and from here you can find the certificate. Simply click on view certificate. Now here is the certificate. Now you have to do is simply click on install certificate. Now select the the current user, that's mean you, then simply click on next. Then you have to be choose this automatically, select the certificate store based on the type of certificate, then simply click on next and finish. After finishing that you can find the import was successful. If you find the success message, then you can close all the windows by this OK button here. So I'm going to close all the windows here. Now on, if you do that same step, follow this without any type of mistake, then you won't find this issue, the ping spike on your Roblox. So I hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.